Hey there, photography enthusiasts! Today, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to blur the background of your images using an online tool. Let's get started. First, let's open up Chrome. Next, head over to cutout.pro by search into the search bar. Scroll down until you find the Blur Background feature. Click on Blur Background to start. Now, click on Upload to choose an image from your computer or laptop. Choose any image you'd like to blur the background of. Now, let's give it a minute to work its magic. And boom! You have 5 variations of the image with the background beautifully blurred. Choose any variation that you like. To download your preferred variation, simply click on Free Download. And there you have it. You've successfully blurred the background of your image using cutout.pro. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more photography tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy editing.